Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to activate any of the Express products. Now, to activate an Express product, you have to be in the part environment, and I'm just making a quick example block here. To activate it, you go to Tools, Express Products, and then select the specific Express product you want to use. I'm going to use the Flow Express, and it's going to prompt you to enter a product code. So you click on this link up here to go to the website. So you'll see it takes me to My SOLIDWORKS. You just have to log in with your My SOLIDWORKS details. And you will see the product code is up here in this green box. We can just copy that and then go back to SOLIDWORKS, paste it in there, press OK. And now your Express product should work. So I'm just going to give it a second to activate. Talk to the server. So if I save this quickly, I'm just going to save it on the desktop. Tools, Express product, Flow Express, and then it should open up our Flow Express property manager. And that's how you activate your Express products. Thank you.